Today, we're diving into the XL-YXD294 Industrial DC Remote Control System, a versatile solution for a variety of applications. With a sleek red design, this remote operates on a frequency of 868 MHz across 12 channels, providing a staggering control distance of up to 3,000 meters. Let's talk about the transmitter. With 12 channels and a size of 2,306,046 millimeters, it's a robust device powered by DC-3V. The impressive 3,000 m control distance is ideal for a range of uses, from lights and TVs to motors and cameras. The encoding frequency of 868 MHz ensures reliable and interference-free operation. Now, let's shift our focus to the receiver. It supports voltages ranging from 12V to 48V, making it compatible with a wide array of systems. With a working temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius, this receiver is built to withstand harsh industrial environments. The 10A relay can handle various loads, and the optional 315 MHz, 433 MHz working frequency adds flexibility. What sets this system apart is the diverse output options. Whether you prefer momentary, latched, or toggle modes, this remote control system has you covered. The learning process is straightforward, allowing you to customize the functionality based on your specific needs. In conclusion, the XL-YXD294 Industrial DC Remote Control System offers a reliable and efficient solution for industrial applications. Its impressive range, versatile output options, and durable build make it a standout choice for overhead traveling crane systems and more. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.